You cannot speak calmly about a pattern if you are still personally wounded by it. The Stoic prepares himself inwardly before speaking. Outwardly, there is a scene described in ancient accounts of Cato the Younger, known for his uncompromising integrity. When confronted with political maneuvering, he did not engage in rumor or subtext. He addressed matters openly, often to the discomfort of those who preferred ambiguity. Cato understood that clarity isolates the manipulator. When you say calmly, "If you disagree, I would rather hear it directly," you are not attacking. You are setting a standard, and standards reveal character. Some individuals will rise to meet clarity. Others will retreat further into subtlety. Either response provides information. If clarity is rejected repeatedly, the Stoic draws conclusions without bitterness. There is a difference between offering opportunity for directness and demanding transformation. You may invite clarity. You cannot force maturity. Pause here. Consider whether in your own life there are conversations that have been postponed because you fear escalation. Ask yourself whether the postponement has preserved peace or prolonged instability. If this reflection is stirring resolve within you, write in the comments, "I choose directness." Directness is not harshness. It is courage without aggression. And if you are committed to cultivating this kind of composure before difficult conversations, remain with this channel. Subscribe not as a gesture, but as a declaration that you intend to practice what you are learning. Let us go deeper. There is another layer to disciplined directness that is often overlooked. It is brevity. When confronting passive aggression, the untrained mind explains excessively. It offers history, justification, emotional context, supporting arguments. But excess explanation signals insecurity. The Stoic speaks plainly and stops. If there is disagreement, let it be stated clearly. Silence. He does not fill the air with nervous elaboration. He does not defend against hypothetical accusations. He allows the weight of clarity to stand on its own. This brevity unsettles those accustomed to emotional negotiation. And yet, it stabilizes the one who practices it. In the weeks following Lucius' conversation with Decimus, something subtle shifted. The indirect comments decreased. Not entirely, but noticeably. Why? Because ambiguity thrives where it is unchallenged. Once gently exposed, it becomes less comfortable to sustain. Not every story ends this way. Some individuals double down on subtle hostility when confronted. If that occurs, the Stoic does not panic. He simply moves to the next phase, strategic distance. But before distance, there must be clarity.